और ये मिरर में मैं ही हूँ चा। आज स्कूल बच्चों का कोई सॉन्ग कंपटीशन था।
नेशनल सॉन्ग कंपटीशन 2025।
तो मैं काली शर्ट तो काला चश्मा ला के पप्पू बच्चा बन के ਜਿਹੜੇ 4-5 ਕੋਟ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਪਾ ਲਏ ਨੇ।
And the first position goes to
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। दोस्तों कैसे हो आप लोग? ठीक ठाक हो? आज मैं काली शर्ट काला चश्मा पापू के जा रहे हैं स्कूल फंक्शन पे। आज स्कूल बच्चों का कोई सॉन्ग कंपटीशन था तो स्कूल वालों ने इनविटेशन भेजा तो हमने सोचा अटेंड करते हैं। लेकिन अटेंड करने से पहले हमें जाना पड़ेगा मार्केट, वहाँ से ख़रीदेंगे एक ब्रांड न्यू कोट। क्योंकि दोस्तों ਜਿਹੜੇ 4-5 कोट आ ਅਸੀਂ बड़े फंक्शनों ते पा लेने। हम नवा खरीदते हैं, जाके मार्केट देखते हैं कोई अच्छा सा कोट मिलता है, पसंद आता है, बाय करते हैं और फिर जाते हैं स्कूल। ले जी हम पहुंच गए नेस्टो के बाहर। यहाँ से हमने बाय करना है कोट, तो नेस्टो में जाते हैं जल्दी से और कोट देखते हैं अपने लिए अगर कोई पसंद आ जाए तो। और ये मिरर में मैं ही हूँ चा। और खुल जा मिरर सिम सिम, तू भी सिम सिम खुल जा। खुल गया। दोस्तों मैं नेस्टो घूम घुमा के आ गया, मुझे कोट नहीं मिला कोई अच्छा। और मैंने डिसाइड किया कि जाता हूँ एक चक्कर लगा के राउंड मार के आ जाता हूँ, ताकि जिनकी तरफ से इनविटेशन आया है उन्हें भी बुरा फील ना हो और हम भी थोड़ा एंजॉय कर लें।
once again welcome you at National Song Competition 2025. A platform where melody meets passion and voices create magic.
والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة.
Mr. Bilal Hassan, Deputy Head of Mission, Pakistan Embassy. Mr. Amin Hamza, Chairman, Board of Director, Pakistan Schools Oman. Mr. Tahar Ahmad, President SMC and Member Board of Director Wasim. Among the lucky few who are here from the thousands of the students from your branches. So thank you very much. Again, very warm wishes to all of you, to all the branches, to all the teachers. And thank you very much to all the participants.
Patriotic theme. Number 4, the performance must not exceed 7 minutes. Exceeding the time limit may negatively affect the final result. Number 5, performances will brainy. I would like to invite Faizan Altaf to please come on the stage to sing a beautiful.
दुनिया के अहम नाम उस्ताद अमानत अली खान के का खूबसूरत कलाम आपकी समातों की नजर। ए वतन प्यारे वतन, ए वतन प्यारे वतन, पाक वतन, पाक वतन, ए मेरे प्यारे वतन। हाफिज़ा मेरा तख़य्युल है तो शीरी है सुख़न, ए वतन प्यारे वतन।
तूने दुश्मन को जला डाला है, शोला बन गए उभरा हर गाम पे तू फतह का नारा बन गए। इस शुजाअत का तुझे क्या मैं सिला पेश करूं, अपनी जान नजर करूं, अपनी जान नजर करूं, अपनी वफा पेश करूं। कौम के मर्द मुजाहिद तुझे क्या पेश करूं, अपनी जान नजर करूं।
Get ready for some fun, laughter, and relatable moments. Sit back, enjoy, and let the chaos unfold. Let's warmly
Welcome back to Humor Headquarters with a special episode of Classroom Chaos. The broadcast for education makes confusion and sometimes just a whole lot of nonsense. I'm your host, Julian Williams. Today we've got Miss Thompson. A teacher who's been in the game for 15 years, and Jamie. A student who's been in the game for about a couple months, because Jamie, you're what, 13? 12 days, get it right. It's Julian, Jamie, get it right.
I've been teaching for 15 years, and every year there's at least one student who still thinks they're 12 when they're clearly 13.
Well, Jamie, we're not here to talk about your age. We're here to talk about the important stuff. Like, what's the most important thing you learned in school, Jamie? How to survive with ramen noodles and how to eat under the table without getting caught.
Oh no, that's what they're teaching these days? Survival skills for the 21st century?
It's practical, Miss Thompson. You never know when you're going to be stuck inside the study hall with no snacks. Surround the criminals and eating under desks. This is why I love this podcast. We got the depth of real education here. Miss Thompson, what's your take on these essential life skills?
Well, Julian, I'm all about practical life skills, but I certainly don't remember how to sneak snacks as part be focused on things like math, history, and actually paying attention.
Oh, sure, history, like I'm gonna remember every battle from the War of 1812. But I do remember that one time you told me you almost failed the maths test.
Jamie, I never said that.
You did. You said it in front of the whole class. It was one of those days you had coffee in your hand and you looked tired.
I was not tired, Jamie. I was just passionate about the quadratic formula. I had a lot of feelings that day.
Passionate about math? Is that a thing? I always thought math teachers were just passionate about making us feel guilty for understanding fractions. I think Miss Thompson secretly wants us all to be mathematicians, but instead gives us horrible pop quizzes.
Pop quizzes are character building, Jamie. They teach you how to handle stress and how to cheat without getting caught.
Wait, that's what you meant by life skills?
Kidding, kidding. You should never cheat. It's bad, unless you're in a really tricky situation, like a pop quiz.
This podcast took a turn to the worst, but honestly, the pop quiz stress is real. Miss Thompson, what's your take on Jamie's methods of surviving school?
Well, Julian, Jamie's survival strategies are ramen noodles, eating under desks, avoiding math at all costs, are all somewhat effective, I guess. But at the end of the day, real education isn't just about getting by. It's about learning and expanding your...
And how to pop open a bag of Doritos without getting caught. That's an important one, Miss Thompson. How could you forget that? Okay, I've heard enough. Let's go back to the basics. Jamie, you know I can see you, right? No, you can't. Oh, whatever. Let's go back to the basics. Jamie, what would you change about the way school is taught? If you redesigned the whole education system, what would you do?
What's his name?
Well, I would make the days shorter, like really shorter. 15-minute classes, but they'd be really intense.
15 minutes? Jamie, we wouldn't have time to go over the homework in that time.
Well, that's the point, Miss Thompson. No homework, no tests, no rules, just like one big class project. Will be like a survival challenge
Give me your
with snacks.
basketball.
You're not in your class, Miss Thompson. This is an interview.
So what? I'm not going to give back your basketball. Go sit down.
Oh, I see. So it's less about knowledge and more about snacks and survival. Got it.
Yeah, maybe we should all just start a school for survivalists. Forget math and reading. Let's teach how to ration food and avoid math for the rest of our lives. How about that, Jamie?
Exactly. I'll enroll immediately. Well, folks, I think that's it up with today's episode of Class and Chaos. Thanks to Ms. Thompson for desperately trying to keep us on track, and to Jamie for reminding us that survival skills are key.
Stand up, Jamie.
You're welcome.
Until next time, let's all remember, education is important, but snacks are crucial.
Absolutely. Catch you next time, everyone. Don't forget to study. Or just survive. Whatever it is.
तुम्हें वतन की हवा
Aman Imran Halima Inam from Pakistan School Suite to sing a beautiful song, Watan Ki Mitti Gawah Rehna.
वतन की मिट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना। वतन की मिट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना। वतन की मिट्टी गवाह रहना, वतन की मिट्टी अजीब है तू, अजीब तरह बना रहे हैं गवाह। तेरे मुअत्ती की हर सदा में तेरी खुशबू महक रही है। हर एक सुर में, हर एक लय में तेरी मोहब्बत चमक रही है गवाह रहना। वतन की मिट्टी गवाह रहना, गवाह रहना। महफिलों की मुसाफिरों उजालना है, उजालना है। वो फसला सूरा साजों को संभालना है, संभालना है। मेरे जवाल रखना, ख्याल रखना, ख्याल रखना, ख्याल रखना, ख्याल रखना, ख्याल रखना, ख्याल इतनी छाओ, इतनी हमारी दौलत, हमारी दौलत। देखा देखा कितनी अपनी इज्जत है, अपनी अजमत है, अपनी अजमत। महफिलों की मुसाफिरों उजालना है, उजालना है। वो फसला सूरा साजों को संभालना है।
Now I would like to invite all the participants are going to receive the certificates. It's a token of appreciation. Please give them a big round of applause. One by one, they will come on the stage and will receive the participation certificates. graceful moves, adorned in glowing radiant wings like shimmering stars in the sky, they will create a magical spectacle of light, movement, and harmony. Let's welcome our dazzling performers to the stage. Please give them a big round of applause. On the stage, our judges, Mr. Nasir Shabir and Ms. Shilpa. Please come on the stage. And now the moment of truth has arrived. Our judges have made their decisions. Before we announce the winners, let's take a moment to appreciate each and every participant. Your talent, passion and hard work have made this competition an unforgettable one. Now, I'm going to announce the 3 positions, and the 3rd position goes to Pakistan School Sweep. I would like to invite Hajra, Laiba, Kiran and Halima to please come on the stage to receive your certificates. Congratulations, sir. Now this is the time to announce the 2nd position. And the 2nd position goes to Pakistan School Salala. Well done, Iman.
वही जो आप कह रहे थे फर्स्ट टाइम है आप हाँ वही है इसको फर्स्ट
School is Asya is receiving. Please give her a big round of applause. It's a proud moment. And the 1st position goes to Pakistan School C. I would like all the participants to please come on the stage. Now, as a token of appreciation, we are going to present some shields to our judges, Mr. Nasir Shabir and Ms. Shilpi. Thank you so much, Sir Nasir Shabir and Ms. Shilpi. Please take your seats. And I request our Board of Directors, Mr. Amir Hamza, to kindly do the
management of the Pakistan School Scheme, Chairman Board of Directors, parents, Assalamu Alaikum. And it was an honor for me to be the chief guest for this beautiful national song competition. I really loved all the performances, and if I were the judge, I would have given first prize to all the participating students. So this is a very good activity because being in a foreign land, you must have some connection and some remembrance that from the place from to where you belong. So I think it's a great initiative by Pakistan School Scheme and also Pakistan school system in Oman, I would say. So I would like to again thank the management for inviting me as the chief guest, and I would love to come again for in such competitions. It was a very good conducted event, and thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you.
As we come to the end of this beautiful event, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our honorable chief guest, once again Mr. Bilal Hassan, for gracing us with his presence. A special thanks to our respected judges for their time and efforts in evaluating the participants' results. A big thank to you, our teachers, and in the entire organizing team for their hard work and dedication in making this event a success. And lastly, to our audience, your enthusiasm and encouragement have been remarkable. Thank you for being a part of this melodious journey. Signing off, this is Sana Shehzad, wishing you a lovely day ahead. Thank you very much.